Okay, language explorers. So let's have a look at the noun action. Action. To do something. So to do something, either because you need, or want to. Want to do something. So need, like you have to do it. So need, as in have to do it. Need. Have to, and want, you would like to. I need to record the lesson. I want to finish it fast. Okay. All right. So, working to achieve or create something. To achieve. Yes. Achieve or create. Create something. Build things. So we need to take action. There's the verb. Take. There's the verb. Take action now. We need to do something now. I need to record this lesson. So I'm taking action and planning it, recording it, talking about it, and then it'll be uploaded. Since they did all those actions, we were not ahead. Yeah. They did all those things, all those actions, all those decisions, all the action, yet we're still not ahead. We're still behind. We're still behind, say, in the football match. We're still behind. We need to take more action, more effort, more focus, more determination. We need to take action to win. To achieve something, first place. So your actions, plural, yesterday. Oh, I don't need that. Your actions yesterday helped a lot. Those actions I took yesterday were very, very useful. The actions I take today will impact me months from now. Very important. This action is important. It needs to be done. See, there it is again. Need to do something either because you need or want. So it needs to be done. This video is an action. Recording, it needs to be done. I need to do it. This action is important. And what action do you think that will take? What action do you think that will need? What actions do I need to take now to do that? What actions do you think I need to do to achieve that? What if we want to go to Portmeirion? What actions do I need to take now? Okay, plan, get the car, get the fuel, get the right kind of clothes. What's the weather going to be like? Maybe some food. Plan the route. Different actions that need to be done. And what about you, language explorers? Can you use action in a sentence? Can you use action in a sentence? Yeah. Answer in the comments below. Yeah, how cool is that? And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come every day. And you can find me on YouTube and Facebook and Telegram, just English with Adrian. And on Udemy as well. Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.